Our next word is PΑGUY. PAGUY means escape or to escape. So we have three consonants, pa, ga, and ya, and we have a prolonged vowel sound, which is a. So we need a mad. So let's start with pa. So this is how you write pa in Sulat Sug. Pa. Then we have ga. This is ga, and ya. So this is ya. And then because this is a prolonged vowel, so we need to add a mad. Now we write them from left to right. We start with pa. Pa din taas. Its body is a, pa. Then we add the mad, pa. Then next, the dayn. Its body is o. O is the pan. This is how you write the pan. PAGU. So pa din taas pa. Actually, this is no, but we don't have to write that. Then ga the pan gu, PAGU, and this last, yeah. It has no vowel sound. We simply add the body is patay. So if we write this, if you connect this, write like this. Pa, and the baris, and the mad, pa, and the wa, and ya. PAGUY. That's how you write it. Remember, this is considered as alif, and alif is one of the four letters that you cannot connect another letter with. That's why the dayn here is written as if it's in the first letter. That's how you write PAGUY. PAGUY. PAGUY.